Hey guys, it's your boy PTC Pet, and as you guys know, I've been fully in that passive income, launching my own project in the next couple of days, and also we are making sure everybody has many different ways to earn a safe passive income. We're gonna talk about Bitmart, as you can see it here. I've been contacted by Bitmart and they asked me if I could be one of their influencers, make videos, teach the people how it works. So I thought, well, let's do that. I'm very honored. So thanks for the invite, Eleanor, and let's go like this. You can see this is the referral ID of the Bitmart attendee, and you can see my email. If I'm correct, yeah, you can see my email. Yeah, guys, as you can see, the PTC pet has just been there from a little bit. Let me put in my password and my address, and then we're gonna go and continue past the recording. As you can see, I got a nice long password. I'm going to do this verification check and I failed. Gonna do this verification check and we're gonna get a validation code. Let me just go like this. Gonna be Patrick. It's Patrick, and you can see that this is going to expire in 5 minutes. So do not try to hack me. Okay, let's go like this. Got 45 seconds left, and I registered successfully. I'm going to take you through on the whole screen what to do, how to verify yourself, how to get everything ready. Let me pause it with a second again, and I'm going to take you guys where we're going to need to be going. Okay, let's do this, guys. I was doing a lot of things. Enter Bitmart Hubs, claim your rewards. Ooh, I get rewards. Rules and terms. Well, it sounds like it's okay. This is registration box, NFT rewards, subscribe, fix savings, win 5. I have to check later what all this is, of course. Sign up a Bitmart account, claim rewards. You got 1 registration, mystery box NFT. Awesome. I can click it. I can click it. Okay, we're gonna check what, of course, everything is doing, guys. Ooh, let's open the box. And then we're gonna guide you on how to do, of course, the KAC, how to do the verification of your account, how to deposit. We're gonna make sure that everybody is understanding Bitmart. Why? They got copy trading, guys. They got copy trading, an amazing, of course, affiliate system. Many of you are not builders, but for those that are. And they do copy trading 7 days a week, which is, of course, massive. Because now we're just enjoying those profits 5 days a week. And it would be nice if we could enjoy them 7 days a week, where we keep our risk low. Of course, follow traders that are knowing what they are doing. And also making sure that we are getting, 1 second. And also making sure that we are getting less risk because we are spreading everywhere. Let's go, guys. Let's check it out. Open this box. That's the first thing. And then we're going to go and continue with the video. Oh, I didn't win. Okay, guys, let's check my account. Away with my own screen. Account. Verification, level 0. Verification. We're going to click it. And here you can see, like, you can deposit, withdraw, things and everything. We're going to need to do the personal information. I'm going to pause the video as, of course, I don't want all of you guys to know where I live and everything. In my home address. I don't want people to my door. And then I'm going to make sure that we are going to continue. As you always know, guys, this is like with a KAC. Make sure that you put on your real information. So not like fake name, must be the same as on your ID card. Same birth date and also, of course, the same things. And we're going to go to the next screen. We're going to go press here. We're going to go and do this one, the address, the starter requirements, the facial verification. And I believe this is going to be a little bit difficult with doing a Zoom also. So then we're going to deposit, we're going to withdraw, we can do everything as you can see here. Well, guys, 1 second just to show this. I'm going crazy with trading and I have a red candle. So I thought, well, let me just go and buy some more. Okay. And let me click this one away. And then we're going to go and scan with the QR code. I love this kind of systems. Hello, please be sharp. The camera dirty or something. 1 second, guys. But I know you guys rather would want me to scan, rather would want me to do it safely. Come on. Well, this is not a nice setup now. Let me go to a QR code reader because 1 second. QR code scanner. Use it. Well, I am getting some errors, guys. Hey. Go to the website. No. Well, guys, I think I'm going to do this verification later because he's not allowing me because he's just giving me a number. Well, I'm gonna skip this verification, guys. Let's just go here. Now we can deposit. I'm going to do the verification later. And as of course, I have many videos on how to set up your verification. It's gonna be easy like ABC. Let me first set up my security features. As I have not linked my phone, let's enable that. Select my country, and of course that is Netherlands. Holland. No, okay. +31. Oh, okay, I'm going to look for it. Where's my flag? Oh, +20. 1 second, guys. And of course, this you can do yourself. But as you know, I'm going to take you through with step by step how to join. Here it is. And of course, I'm going to pause it now for a second because last time I put on my number, it was a crazy time of messaging in my WhatsApp. Gonna be back in a second. You will get an email in your, you will get a code in your email which will bind your phone. Make sure to do that also. Hey guys, I got a little bit distracted. As you guys know, I'm really busy in the moment, but we're gonna go and continue. I had my video paused. We're gonna go and deposit some Bitcoin. Why? Well, why not? Huh? Where is my income from? Investment income. Yup. Started at the bottom, now we're here, guys. As you guys know, I started homeless with like $100,000 of debt. And now I'm just like flying so high. Let's click this Bitcoin that I got. Let's go and, I believe send it. Okay, guys, I have to check it. Okay, send it. Can I put it in? How much must I say? Must be greater than that amount. Okay, that's good. How much do I got? I got like 0.0025. That is like, oh, that's 85. That is 0.025. That's like $70. Well, you know what? Let's do a little bit more. 4.5. That's $126. That got to be okay. Then we're gonna go and enter. And this is what I want to do. Scan this code. It has the address, and we're going to send it now. As you can see, I'm using Exodus. Oh, you can see, sending the transaction is now in progress, and the Bitcoin has been sent. It's going to be taking a small amount of time, as I believe that is quite fast sending it with the Lightning Network. Also, I just paid, let's check it out, 27 cents fee for sending Bitcoin. You guys know me, I'm coming cheap and I'm coming with low cost. So we're gonna pause this video and we're going to refresh it as soon as the money appears. Yeah, guys, I just refreshed the page, and as you can see, my Bitcoin transaction is there. Gonna make a full video, of course, how to do a withdrawal, how to do a deposit, how to follow a copy trader, and more is coming. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and let's keep making money together. This is going to be one of my main projects that I'm going to be working with. as of course, I got to keep the funds of Abundance community safe. Stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep making money, guys.